Hi guys, today we're gonna look at some reading and blending sounds together, okay? So, The King is our book. Now today, think about your brains. We have our meta thinking, analyzing, linking, realizing, and creating brain. Concentrate a little bit of the realizing because by now you know all your sounds. Now, first of all, we practice our sounds and the tricky words. J, v, w, x, y, z, z, qu, ch, sh, v, v. Well done. And our tricky words, he, she, we, me, be. Well done. Now, you help me reading? Purple and red words. Was rainy Sunday. We're trying. Think. Something. Do. No, said. Show. What brilliant ideas, said. Now, they're going to put on a show and they have to think of characters they might have in their show and some other ideas they want to write down. Let's see. Can you help me reading? K, I, N, K, G. Blend it together. K, ing, king. There should be a king in the play, always. Next one. F, I, sh. Blend it. Fish. God knows what they're going to do with the fish in the play. Sh, eh, l. Sh, sh. Blend it. Right. Shell. And o. Moth. Let's check. So they've got a king, a fish, a shell, and a moth. Oh my word, that's going to be a funny play. Now, what do you think might need for our show? Asked. Think. Few things, said. Help. Fetch, said. Now, they need some stuff, so we see what they need for their show. Let's find out some props. They need a, help me reading, sh, eh, blended, shed. Let's check it out. A shed. Okay, then they need a b, a, blended, bath. Let's see. They need a bath. They need a w, e, wing. A wing. Okay. Then a r, e, blended, ring. Very well done. And a a blended path. Nice one. I wonder what the show is about, so help me reading. Show was already performed, called their family living room, said. Everyone was quiet. Now, what happened when they performed their show? Now we have to help them reading. Let's read together. Go and get me that ring. He got this ring. Go and get me that shed. He got this shed. Go and get the cash. A moth had got in the cash. Everyone clapped. The end. The show was fantastic, said. Was brilliant. Where did all come from? Asked Dad. For said. Oh my word, I hope that cash wasn't real. Now we blended really nicely the sounds. Excellent job. Well done.